Alright guys, welcome to today's video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to schedule a message on Telegram. What this actually means is that, let's say you are an admin of a group, and then you have a program, or let's say you have a class to hold on the Telegram group, and then you won't be around at that set time. Okay, so what you need to do is just to type in whatever you want to type, and then schedule the message when it will be sent to the group. Let's say you have a class by 8 p.m. in the evening, and you won't be chanced, or possibly you might still be on the way, but then you wouldn't want to disappoint. So all you need to do is just to schedule your message, so that once it gets to that time, you start Telegram will start sending the message to the group automatically, even without your absence. All right, so let me just go to this. Okay, so let me type a message, say welcome to a new month, I wish you the best of luck in all your endeavors. Okay, so the next thing you need to do now is to click on this send button. Okay, this button here. All right, but then you will not send it, you will just hold it steady. Just hold it. You see schedule message, so click on schedule message. Now you leave the date whenever you want to send the message. Okay, so if you want to send it today, you just put this. If you want to send it, let's say 10th of March, then this is the time. I might just choose 12 noon. This is 13 is 1, 14 is 2. Okay, so I might just put it 2 o'clock on the dot. Okay, so I'll click on send on March. I'll tap here. Alright, so whosoever that is in this group will not see this message until the 10th of March by 2 p.m. Okay, so that is how you schedule your message. You can type as much as you want, then schedule it for this schedule it using what you learned here, and then you might just give it a space of 1 minute each for each message, so that it won't look as it won't look as though it's a bot that is sending it. All right, so that is how you schedule your message. If this is the first time of coming to this YouTube channel, please do help to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more interesting videos. Thank you.